I'm so hungry.
Then eat, Sammy. Look, we've got fruit and jelly. You can have what you want.
If only it was that easy.
What do you mean?
I can't choose what I want most, jelly or fruit. I've been thinking for an hour or so that my stomach has been stuck to my backbone.
You know, Sammy, sometimes you don't need to choose. You can eat all at once. And I already have a tasty idea.
You wanted to say great idea.
No, I meant tasty. Come on, you'll help.
Oh, my favorite word. Hi, guys. How do you like my look? It means that we're gonna cook.
Sam's making rhymes today. Guys, we're gonna bake a half-fruit, half-jelly fluffy cheesecake. Sam was so excited when he heard about it.
Oh, come on, Sue. You're a sweet tooth, too. It is a cheesecake, after all.
But it's not just a common dessert. Wait till you see the result.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
First comes the batter for the sponge cake. We need 3 eggs. 75 grams of sugar, just like this. Yay! And a pinch of salt. Be careful not to add too much.
Sue, is it your secret ingredient?
Kind of. It's vanilla extract. We just need 3 milliliters. Then we'll add 20 grams of honey. Wow, it's mesmerizing. And mix it all up. Do it well so that no sugar clumps are left. The next step is to warm this egg mixture up to 38 to 42 degrees Celsius.
A quick tip. You can place the bowl with the batter on a bowl with hot water.
The most important thing is to control the temperature not to overheat the mixture. Perfect! It's time to remove the bowl from the water bath and mix it again using a hand mixer.
Looks quite easy. So can I try?
Of course, but you need to come here because we can't stop mixing.
Well, I can't take it away.
That was because of the high-speed mode. We need to make bubbles.
Phew, that was close. I have to stay away from those mixers.
Now we're ready to add some more ingredients. Sammy, get the warm milk, please.
About that, you know, I kinda drank it. Drank it! Gotcha. So I wasn't serious.
Oh, Sammy, I was so stressed out. Don't joke like that.
Here's your milk, 50 degrees Celsius as you asked.
Okay. Here come the 30 milliliters.
Next, we need 95 grams of flour. Get ready to be all covered in it.
We'll add the flour to the mixture using a sieve. Now we can mix it properly.
Hurry up, the butter is melted down. What are we gonna do?
It's all right, Sammy. The butter temperature should be exactly 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. Guys, we used 30 grams of unsalted butter.
Mix, 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 mix again. Everything is about mixing stuff.
Yep, good mixing is the essential part of cooking. Do you agree, guys? Then give a thumbs up. The batter is ready and we can finally bake it. For this, we'll need...
Oh! Fresh baked Sam is here.
Sammy, you're full of surprises. By the way, the cake pan size is 15 by 7 centimeters. Put baking paper like this. Ta-da!
It already looks so yummy. Can I taste it?
Uh-huh, I know you, Sam. You won't be able to stop.
But what are we gonna do next? The oven is preheated.
Then we bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for half an hour to get a fluffy sponge cake. Our sponge cake is ready. Now we need to cut it into 4 round pieces.
1 centimeter thick is the best. Ask an adult to help you with it. The knife is not a toy.
We will do it smoothly and steadily with a sharp, long knife.
Oh, I better not watch it. What if it doesn't come out nicely?
Don't worry, Sammy. Check it out. Everything's fine.
But you need 3 more slices. That's 3 more chances to make a mistake.
I promise you I'll do it so fast you won't even have time to get scared.
This sponge cake is so yummy. Hail the great tippy-dava. That we don't need the edges and I can eat all of them.
In the meantime, I prepared 270 grams of cream cheese for our special frosting. It's very important for this type of cake, so let's mix it properly.
Don't be afraid. Cooking is fun. Just enjoy your time.
The cream cheese is ready and we can add 160 grams of unsweetened yogurt to it. And mix it all again.
The slime needs sugar. Add more sugar. No sugar, no cake.
All right. 95 grams of sugar for the frosting. Is that enough for you?
Pretty much. Mix it well, Sue. I'm watching you.
Don't be harsh on me, Chef Sam. I'm doing my best. Now we add 5 milliliters of vanilla extract and 10 grams of lemon juice. And mix everything up. It looks like today I'm mixing a lot.
Sue, why do we need to add melted gelatin into the frosting? Sounds odd.
Melted gelatin makes the frosting thicker. You'll need 7 grams of powdered gelatin and 35 grams of water.
Oh, I want to taste it so badly, my mouth's watering.
The frosting isn't done yet. The final step is to add 50% whipped heavy cream. 150 grams is enough. Let's mix it well for the last time.
No, I need to distract myself from the frosting. I better. Holy cannoli, so many fruit pieces! If I taste one, it won't do any harm, right?
Guys, we can finally put our cake together. We'll need this pan. I've already cut a piece of the cake inside. And now let's add 1/4 of the frosting. We need to spread it evenly, like that.
How is everything going? I can't see much now.
Sammy, why are you blindfolded? You'll miss the best part. We'll put different types of fruits on each layer. This one will be strawberries.
I have to do it. The cake is so tasty. I just can't. Ugh. Fine, just a little peek. Wow, Susan, it's a real masterpiece.
Thanks, Sammy. I told you it was a tasty idea of a really cool cake.
Guys, if you want to see more cake recipes on our channel, then give a thumbs up.
We need to repeat these steps again. The next layer will be with mango. And now the final layer with kiwi. Wait, there were definitely more pieces of fruit.
Sorry, Sue, my passion is stronger than me.
It's done. Now let's put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Sammy, want to have more fruit?
Yeah, do we have more mango? And strawberries? I can't have enough.
3 hours finally passed and this is our cake. Delicious, isn't it?
Sue, I'm not gonna trust you anymore. You promised me a jelly cake.
Yeah, we have one more stage, so you just need to be a little bit more patient.
I take my words back then. Oh, I think I ate too many fruits. I can see them everywhere.
That's because they are everywhere. These ones will cover the cake. We'll start with strawberries again. I like them, especially with cream.
Sue, I want to try too. Let me attach these grapes.
Nice job, Sam. Now let's add the rest of them. Wow, looks juicy. Guys, only the top remains. I'll do it even quicker this time. Now we need to prepare the cake to place it in the fridge.
It's so pretty. What if you freeze it and it's not like that anymore?
Don't worry, it'll only be in the fridge for 30 minutes.
Bye, cake. I'm gonna miss you. Bye.
In the meantime, we'll make a transparent lemon jelly.
Lemon jelly's one of my favorites. You go in the bowl. So look, I helped.
Sam, it's too early for the lemon. First, we need to make the gelatin mixture. We'll take 75 grams of powdered gelatin and add 375 grams of warm water to it. Now let's mix it properly like this.
Susie, it's not that I mind waiting, but when is it time for lemon?
We're close, Sammy. We'll add some sugar and lemon juice.
So it's too hot? Won't it ruin the cake?
It should be hot. When it cools off, the jelly will become solid.
Uh-oh, then I better move away.
The cake is here.
Are we gonna fill this thing with jelly?
Yeah, we'll fill it up. The more the better.
what if it pours out, so be careful.
I'll do my best, Sammy. It's almost done. Let's just pour it over the fruit as well.
I don't want to look. Just tell me when you finish.
Sammy, it's over. You can turn around. The last step is to wait while it cools down in the fridge.
Fridge again? For how long?
Let's see. I think 2 to 3 hours is enough. Sammy, it'll definitely be worth your time. Want to check out the final result? Follow me. Voila! Here is our masterpiece.
Finally, the moment has come. I'll taste the fluffiest jelly cheesecake in the world.
Just wait a second, Sammy. Your piece of cake is coming. Here you go. Bon appetit. Wow, this jelly is so bouncy. Check out how it's shaking.
Oh, I can't chew. It looks so amazing. I'm afraid to eat it.
It's your choice, Sammy, but... you're missing a lot. It's very delicious. Huh?
Sue, you're right. It's so good. Maybe I can eat one more piece.
You got it. Guys, do you like our jelly cheesecake? Give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel. We'll make more cooking videos in the future. Bye-bye.